Hi guys, Glader here. So today I have an update video on a feature in a project I'm working on. I'm basically working on my own MMO. I've tried to do that in the past, but I wasn't good enough back then, but now I am, so that's what I'm working on. That's where I've been. And today I'm going to show you a prototype for radius-based interest management. I won't get into exactly what interest management is, because it'll make a lot more sense if I just show you. So go ahead and start up a zone server. You can think of this as a continent on a map, or maybe represents a dungeon in an MMO where a couple people get together. Basically, it's an instance or a zone that simulates a part of the game world. You could have many of them in the system. So I've got some headless test clients that I'm using because we're doing unit tests in Unity 3D is not great. So let's connect a character with ID 2, and you see we get some packets here. Let's connect to character 5, I guess. Alright, so now to show you about interest. You might have thousands of people on a map, but you don't want them to all receive information about every single other entity. And one way to deal with this is interest management, and that is to only send updates about objects that share some sort of view of the game world. And this implementation is based on Radius, but it uses the Unity physics system because it's a lot easier. You can avoid a lot of the challenges that you might encounter to efficiently compute interest. Physics already has to do that in a lot of ways, so that's how it's implemented. So you see, if I actually pull this out of here, we get a packet called Network Object Visibility Change Event. That means the visibility of networked objects has changed, and that packet contains information about how that's changed. You can see if we drag it back into the inner radius, it'll send a packet, and it'll send a packet to both of them actually. We'll let them both know. So yeah, that's basically interest. The reason this has to exist is, imagine you had thousands of players on a map and maybe one of them died. Well, you don't want to send a message to everyone because they don't all need to know. Just the players nearby. Maybe there's 5 players nearby that need to know it. So you send that change to them. You send the packets and data associated with that. Save bandwidth, resources, time. And you don't leak information, which can be used for exploitation. So yeah. It originally was going to be tile-based, but that didn't work out. There was a flaw with it. But this is almost as good, I guess. But yeah, so I'm working on my own MMO. I've got some videos demonstrating some of the systems. The project's quite large, and it's not intended to be open source, but it is open source right now. You can see that it is a rather large collection of projects and services. Applications, yeah. So there's various pieces, and they're all at various levels of completion. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.